Hello and welcome to the Psychology Made Simple channel. I'm glad you're here today. In this video, we'll talk about high blood pressure, not in theory, not with medical terms, but in a practical, clear way. I'll show you simple pressure points, explain how and why they work, and what you can do right now to help your body calm down. I also want to briefly mention that in the previous video the sound quality wasn't ideal. Thank you for your patience. Today everything is clear, so you can focus fully on yourself and your well-being. Let me start with a simple question. How often do you feel that pressure inside your head? Not sharp pain, but heaviness. Tightness. As if something is pressing from the inside. Many people live with this feeling for years and think it's normal. But it's not. High blood pressure often shows itself through subtle signals. Headaches, especially in the morning. A feeling of pressure in the veins. Nausea without a clear reason. Redness or heat in the face. Sometimes blurred vision. Sometimes anxiety for no obvious cause. If you recognize at least one of these signs, your body is asking for attention. Now let's move from words to action. The first point we'll work with is on the wrist. Look at your wrist. There is a natural fold, and in the middle area you can feel two small indentations. Between them is the point we need. Press it with your thumb or index finger. You don't need force. This is not about pain. This is about pressure and awareness. Press and hold. Breathe slowly. Ask yourself what you feel. Warmth? Sensitivity? A slight ache? These sensations mean the point is active. This point helps regulate blood circulation and calms the nervous system. You can press it any time, in the morning, during stress, or when you feel pressure rising. Now let's move to the ears. Your ears are directly connected to the nervous system. There are small indentations on the outer ear. Gently massage them with circular movements. You don't need more than 1 minute. Slow movements. Calm breathing. Many people underestimate this, but regular ear massage can noticeably reduce tension and help stabilize pressure. Do this every day. Especially before sleep. Now let's talk about the feet. Your feet carry the weight of your body, but they also carry emotional tension. On each foot, find the highest point on the top and the lowest point on the sole. Massage these areas slowly. No rushing. No distraction. This massage works best when you allow yourself to relax. If you're tense and impatient, the effect will be weaker. Now I want to show you one of the most effective points. The point between the thumb and index finger. This point is powerful. It works fast. Press it firmly but without sharp pain. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Release. Press again. Many people feel relief almost immediately. The head feels lighter. Breathing becomes deeper. If your pressure rises suddenly, start here. Now let's work with the fingers. Pay special attention to the second finger. Massage it from base to tip. Then move to the other fingers. Repeat the massage 7 times for each finger. This helps release internal tension that accumulates during stress, fear, or emotional overload. Speaking of tension, let's move to the neck. There is a point on the side of the neck that can be sensitive or even painful. That's okay. Before pressing, relax your shoulders. Let your arms hang freely. Press the point gently. Hold. Breathe. Pain here often means accumulated stress. As you massage, the discomfort should slowly decrease. Now massage the soft tendons from top to bottom. Slowly. Smoothly. This area stores both physical and emotional tension. When you release it, the body responds with relaxation. Back to the wrist. There are different ways to locate this point. Some measure finger widths, others rely on feeling. The simplest way is to press gently along the wrist until you find a sensitive spot. Press it with your index finger. Consistency matters more than precision. Now I want to say something important. Pressure point massage is not magic. But it works with your body, not against it. Unlike medications, it doesn't overload the liver, kidneys, or stomach. Long-term medication use often creates new problems while solving one. That doesn't mean you should stop prescribed treatment without a doctor. It means you should support your body naturally whenever possible. Let's talk briefly about additional support. Certain foods help stabilize pressure. Less salt. More greens. Enough water. Light movement is useful, but emotional calm is even more important. You can do exercises every day, but if you live in constant tension, the pressure will return. Herbal teas can help. Simple ones, leaves, mild herbs like dandelion, help calm emotions and support balance. But again, the most important factor is emotional state. When you press these points, you are not just affecting muscles or vessels. You are calming the nervous system. And when the nervous system relaxes, pressure follows. Releasing tension is key. Your body has systems, circulation, lymphatic flow, meridians, all working together. When one calms down, the others follow. You don't need complicated techniques. You need regular, mindful actions. If this video was helpful, support the channel with a like and share it with someone who might need it. Your feedback helps me understand what topics matter most to you. Thank you for being here. Take care of yourself. And may there always be joy in your life.